Hey guys, I'm Aurora and I'm a part of the Forex Strategies Resources team. In this video, I will show you the scalping setup for 5 minutes. That is a Forex strategy for MetaTrader mobile trend momentum based on oscillator stochastic and 2 slow moving averages in the same window. Setup of the strategy. Time frame only 5 minutes. Currency any major pair with small spread. Small stop loss of 5 to 15 pips. Take profit of 5 to 20 pips. 200 simple moving average close. 1000 simple moving average close. Stochastic 533 close. Level to 90 to 95 of a sold and 5 to 10 of a put. Buy entry. When moving average 1000, moving average 200 and stock 5.3.3 join together and touch level 5 to 10 of the stochastic level, it is a signal for buy. Sell entry. When moving average 1000, moving average 200 and stock 5.3.3 join together and touch level 90 to 95 of the stochastic level, it is a signal for sell. Tips. Do not enter if stock have moved to level 50. Find another trade setup. It is very important to move the chart to the center of the smartphone screen as to get correct signal. To enable this, set the horizontal view option to the left of the screen as below screenshot. Subscribe, like, comment and share on this video.